Your friend sent you a Pages file from their Mac, and Windows has no idea how to read it. You actually need to trick the file into opening. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the cloud conversion trick that fixes this in seconds. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade Pages file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. A Pages file is a document created by either Apple's Pages application or Microsoft Word. While primarily associated with Pages for creating word processing documents, the user's internal database indicates a dual association. This suggests the file may be compatible or convertible between both applications, potentially containing formatted text, images, tables, and other document elements. The internal structure of a Pages file from iCloud or Word involves a complex arrangement of XML files, images, and other assets bundled within a compressed package. This structure allows for rich formatting and complex layouts. Compatibility between Pages and Word versions may vary, requiring conversion or specific software versions to ensure proper rendering and editing. An essential utility for interacting with Pages is recognized as Pages in Word by Apple and Microsoft. The basic data is there, but Windows cannot process the specific formatting tags required. Windows supports basic document visibility, though deeper editing requires proper tools. We are checking system compatibility. Right-click your Pages file and hit Open With. If Pages in Word is on your machine, test it immediately. If not, any other listed program will work for the test. If you still can't open the Pages file, it's okay. You're dealing with a truly tricky Pages file. We must now test the most common points of failure. Let's see exactly where the error is originating. First, use Apple Pages. Open the document using the Apple Pages application on a Mac or iOS device for full editing and layout support. Next, use iCloud.com. Upload the file to the Pages app on iCloud.com via a web browser to view and edit the document on any platform. Finally, export to Word or PDF. Use Pages to export the file to .docx or .afhot PDF format to ensure compatibility with Microsoft Word or standard readers. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.